My name's Mackenzie. I run Mendocino Magic. It's a 600-acre campground where we host a lot of outdoor weddings. The Wunder360 has been a really valuable resource for us because it helps us to create virtual tours of our property with a street view style approach, and it makes it a lot easier for potential guests to see what they're getting into before they get here.
Being able to click through the property was huge.
You know, looking at the 360 video tour just set this place apart so much.
Using virtual tours in advance helps set us apart from our competition in this industry.
I've been playing Minecraft a lot for the last several years, and recently I got one of the new Wunder360 cameras to help me with the in-game world design. I built myself a rig where I can just strap it onto an old bike helmet. It pairs really easily to my phone. Once I'm connected, I can just take it outside into any of the environments that I'm finding interesting. By the time I get back, the 3D point cloud is waiting for me on my computer, and I can turn that file into a Minecraft world right away.
The Wunder360 has been really helpful as a tool when we move into new builds and construction. Putting the helmet on, I was able to walk around and make sure I knew exactly what the designer and the architect were going to see as well, as far as the space and what we were going to be working with.
What was really great about this project was the property owner handing off a 360 capture where I could see how my design would fit into the pre-existing landscape.
I think that it'll help a lot with other landowners in the future for their builds and how they can more sustainably interact with their spaces, and it'll make a huge difference for us as we develop more of this property.
My name is Trevor. I have a travel vlog, and the product that is enabling me to do what I love the most recently is the Wunder360.
Hey, I'm Jack, and I've been riding with a helmet camera for a couple of years now. And I recently switched from a one-directional camera to a 360 camera. And with this, I can see in all directions everywhere I go.
I am such a Luddite when it comes to technology, especially cameras. This thing's amazing. It's super easy. I just plop it down. Because it's 360, I can make it follow her movements.
My name is Zach. I teach acrobatics and parkour, and I really like the Wunder360 because it makes it really easy to bring the camera into class, set it down, and it captures the whole room no matter which way our practice goes. And that way I don't need a whole camera crew in order to get every part of my run as I go up and down, back and forth.
I love that I can live stream to Facebook, and it stitches the 360 for me automatically.
It works with all my old attachments, and it's waterproof.
Love the cool filters, artificial bokeh, tilt shift. Classic.
I'm Craig. I've been drifting for 9 years, and I just started using the Wunder360. The fact that the image comes out of this camera stabilized and I don't have to modify the footage with the computer is outstanding.
I've been strapping the Wunder360 to my dog Shiloh. She's got a huge following on Instagram. Her followers really love the perspective that this camera gives.
And in the city, where it's a little more dangerous, I've got a record of what happens. So if I'm involved in a close call, I can prove it.
I also love the Phantom Clipper. It allows me to capture every part of a motion and easily analyze individual aspects of that motion and really show the students where they need to improve and practice.
I love that I can view and edit the clips on my phone. So if I'm on a nice ride in the countryside, I can come home and recreate it and show it to all my friends. And the 3D mode is pretty cool.
It's really easy to edit on my phone directly from the app, a video that I actually want to share. I love it.